Hi guys, welcome. Today's get ready with me video. The first thing I do when I apply my makeup is I apply my moisturizer because it's so cold outside and my skin tends to dry easily.
My team we don't back down from nobody. Them Vincy don't back down from nobody. From panty to Japanese everybody want to invite me in them hands.
So I'll be trying out this glam eyebrow thing that I got from Shein, and it's in dark brown. And just open it. This is my first time trying it. Usually I just use a pencil, a dark brown pencil.
Inside properly, ain't nobody can do it better. Rated out of the sky, we every show to the sky, we they going have to pay small fee. Even though me done move a long time, panty man they just call me. If you want see how we just party, put me inside. If you want see how we just met them gal go, put me inside. If you got to work then just call leave, put me inside. Better pray to God.
So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match to conceal my brows.
To Japanese everybody want to invite me in them, huh? I hope you can take it all inside you. Come take look wine up all inside you. Come take look liquor all inside you. Come take look union all inside you. Though the studio went barely, union all and I started, and the game was never the same the day I pop up inside it. Me and Jay we still rolling, still picking party from morning. Forgive me if I go off topic, let me get back on topic. If you wanna see how we just party, put me inside. If you wanna see how we just met them gal go, put me inside. If you got to work then just call leave, put me inside. Better pray to God we don't make your gal go, put me inside. My team we don't back down from nobody. Them Vincy don't back down from nobody.
Because around my eyes are a bit darker than the rest of my face, I would usually just cover it with the same concealer that I'm using for my brows.
Come take look liquor all inside you. Come take look union all inside you. Every time that just tell we put the thing inside properly, ain't nobody can do it better. Rated out of the sky.
And I'm going in with my Fit Me foundation. It's absolutely one of the best out there.
Long time panty man they just call me. If you wanna see how we just party, put me inside. If you wanna see how we just met them gal go, put me inside. If you got to work then just call leave, put me inside. Better pray to God we don't make your gal go, put me inside. My team we don't back down from nobody. Them Vincy don't back down from nobody. From panty to Japanese everybody want to invite me in them, huh? I hope you can take it all inside you. Come take look wine up all inside you. Come take look liquor all inside you. Come take look union all inside you.
Going with is my Bare Minerals blush. I'm just gonna tip some over here.
My team we don't back down from nobody. Them Vincy don't back down from nobody. From panty to Japanese everybody want to invite me in them, huh? I hope you can take it all inside you. Come take look wine up all inside you. Come take look liquor all inside you. Come take look union all inside you. Every time that just tell we put the thing inside properly, ain't nobody can do it better. Rated out of the sky, we every show to the sky, we they going have to pay small fee. Even though me done move a long time, panty man they just call me. If you wanna see how we just party, put me inside. If you wanna see how we just just met them gal go. Put me inside. If you got to work, then just can't leave. Put me inside. Better pray to God we don't make your gal go. Put me inside. My team we don't back down from nobody.
What I'm gonna use is this velvet cause I'm gonna go for something natural, so I'm using this one. Then we're going to get some Vaseline. This is the finished look. I am nowhere near professional, but this is how I make myself look good, and I'm just showing you guys. But thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Inside properly, ain't nobody going do it better. Rated out to the sky, we every show to the sky, we they're going to have to pay.